हाई चैंपियंस, अभी तक हमने ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो के बारे में पढ़ा, आज हम ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज पढ़ेंगे। ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी क्या है? ये एक इक्वेशन है। लेट अस स्टडी। ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी is an equation involving trigonometric ratios of angle, right? So trigonometric identity एक इक्वेशन है जिसके अंदर एंगल्स के ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। Now we'll prove this identity. There are basically you will learn only 3 basic identities. For this, let us draw right triangle ABC, right angle at B. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equation number 1. Now if I divide this equation throughout by hypotenuse square, then AC square upon AC square equal to AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. This implies AC square upon AC square is 1 equal to, I can write AB upon AC whole square plus BC upon AC whole square. Now see in this figure, AB upon AC, AB upon AC. If I consider this angle A as acute angle, then sin A will be BC upon AC and sin A will be cos A will be AB upon AC, right? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So I can write this equal to cos A and square plus this will be BC upon AC, that is sin A square. This implies we can write like this, cos A whole square plus sin A whole square. So we can write it like that, like this, cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. This is one identity, you have to remember it. Next, if I divide equation 1 by AB square, this square, then what will happen? AC square equal to AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square. This is also AB square. This implies, as we know, AC upon AB, AC upon AB is reciprocal of cos. That means it is sec. So this is sec square theta equal to AB upon AB, this will be 1 plus BC upon AB, opposite angle A की opposite side है BC and adjacent side is AB, so it is tan square theta, tan square A. This is tan square A, sec square A, right? So this is another identity you have to remember. And if I divide equation 1 by BC square, here we have to write dividing equation 1 by AB square. And now we will divide equation 1 by BC square. Dividing 1 by BC square. What will get? AC square upon BC square equal to AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square. This will be 1. AC upon BC. AC upon BC is reciprocal of sine, that is cosec. This implies cosec square A equal to AB upon BC. AB upon BC is reciprocal of tan, that is cot. Cot square A plus 1. BC will be cancelled. This is third identity you have to remember. So we will solve some examples using these identities to clarify. Prove that sec A equal to 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A equal to 1. So here LHS equal to sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. In such cases, we have to reduce the equation to get 1. So first of all, we'll convert everything in sin cos. Or yes, this will be sec will be 1 upon cos A into 1 minus sin A. Here 1 upon cos A, sec A is 1 upon cos A plus tan A is sin A upon cos A. One upon cos A into 1 minus sin A as it is. Taking LCM, 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So this equal to 1 upon cos A, 1 upon cos A is 1 upon cos square A, and this is A plus B, A minus B, A minus B, A plus B. Here A is 1, B is sin A. So we can write 1 minus sin A square and 1 square like this, right? So this will be 1 upon cos square A into 1 minus sin square A. This equal to 1 upon cos square A into cos square A, because using identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. See, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So I can write cos, in place of cos square theta I can write 1 minus sin square theta. So here it is 1 minus sin square theta, that will become cos square theta. Now cos square theta will be cancelled and answer is 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS proved. Right? Next question. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta equal to 1. So LHS equal to 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. Here again applying a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, that will be a square minus b square, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. How? We'll see. Sec square theta into 1 square minus sin square theta, sin theta square. That will be, here we will mention the identity. You have to mention each and every reason, otherwise you will lose full marks. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So I can write 1 plus tan square theta will be sec square theta. So here I mentioned sec square theta in place of 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be sec square theta into 1 minus sin square theta, and that is again sec square theta into cos square theta, that is 1 upon cos square theta into cos square theta equal to 1 cos square will be cancelled. Here also we have to mention another identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, this one, right? Another question. Prove that cos square theta equal to this. LHS equal to cos square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus cot square theta. Now as we know, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So 1 plus cot square theta will be cosec square theta. This equal to cosec cos square theta plus 1 upon cosec square theta. Reason, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So this is 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square. Cos square theta plus 1 upon cosec square is sin square theta. Sin square theta, and as we know, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Right? So with this we have finished this topic. Next time we will meet in another video.